What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Now check it out. Look, after you guys looking at that thumbnail, you can just see from the picture just how moist this turkey is, right? I'm gonna show you guys just an easy way to do it. And listen, with the holiday coming up, you might want to like have something else inside of the oven. Like you might want to do one of them honey baked hams. You know, it's Christmas time, right? So if you're gonna do that, you got that inside the oven. If you don't have one of them double ovens, you can go ahead and use your slow cooker. And this, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to make. Listen, when I tell you it's gonna be a moist and tender turkey, that's what it's gonna be. Hey, with that being said, just come on in here. We get right into it. Now, one of the best things I like about this right here, look, this is gonna be foolproof, especially for the people who always worry about, like, is my breast gonna be dry or is it gonna be moist, right? Look, it's not a lot of ingredients. Look, this right here, look, we got a bone-in, listen, this is a bone-in turkey breast, right? You want something about 6 to 7 pounds, anywhere in between there, you'll be just fine. Over here, we got garlic cloves, brown sugar, we got fresh rosemary, we got a 1/4 cup of water, and then we're gonna add a little salt to it. And then this right here is gonna make everybody tell you, hey, please make this again. Hey, and I gotta say this part too. I usually do this all the time, and you know what? I make sandwiches out of it. Hey, super easy, let's get it. Okay, so look, I went ahead and opened it up, you know, put the turkey, used a paper plate, because again, I'm washing my own dishes, right? I can get some nice plates, but why when we have these, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna go ahead and take the top off of my crock pot. I'm gonna go ahead and take my turkey, and I'm gonna just set it right here in the middle, right? We'll just leave it just like that. This is a real simple, when I say simple, folks, I mean extremely simple recipe, but the results you're gonna get from this, some of you guys probably gonna cheat this even on Thanksgiving, you know? Especially if you got a smaller family, this is it right here. But again, I'm telling you guys, what I do is, I make them like this using a crock pot, because I love to make the sandwiches. Now, you wanna go ahead and get your rosemary, right? You wanna cut yourself a few, you know, sprigs. Now, I'm not at home, but I do have rosemary, you know, at home, so I had to, you know, buy some. But this is it right here. This is about equivalent to 4 sprigs. 4 to 6 would be good. So I'm gonna just take these, I just drop them in on the side, just like you guys see, you know, because we're gonna get a lot of flavor from this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little bit more because I like the rosemary taste. I gotta say though, looking at it like this though, it looks nice, doesn't it? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just put in, you know, my garlic cloves, right? So let me just go ahead and grab my knife, take this. Listen, if you wanna mince them down, you can, but for me, I just like to take a whole clove, hit it like that. We just smash it, open it up, give it a head start, then drop them on in. These are some nice size garlic cloves too. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and take my brown sugar. We just take this, put that in there just like that. I'm gonna take my salt. I'm gonna give it a couple of generous pinches, right? Let's go with 3, right? Did that, we're gonna go with our, look, I like to put a lot of pepper in there. Look, this is nothing but flavor, right? So I just take it, mix this all up just like this, right? I'm gonna take this now and just add my water, right? Because we just wanna get a little bit down there. And then along with, you know, when we cooking it, a lot of the fat that's on here, it ain't that gonna be that much fat, but the fat that's on this turkey is just gonna fall down and ooh-wee. Now we just take some of this. Notice I didn't put no olive oil or no butter, nothing like that. It's okay. I really want some of this to get down there and there, mixing the water along with the drippings, you know, from being inside of the crock pot. This right here is gonna be fire. So we just do it just like that. And you guys know I love to see pepper, right? Even though I got it like that, check it out. We're gonna hit it again. It's really that simple, folks. Now I'll put my top on. Okay, so listen, let me tell you about how you set this up. Listen, you can do 4 to 6 hours on low, or you can do 2 to 3 hours on high. For me, we ready to eat. I'm ready to make some nice, you know, tender sandwiches. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the high setting, right? So again, that's like 2 to 3 hours. So for me, I like it to be as soft and as moist as possible. So I'm gonna go with the 3 hours. Again, that's 3 hours on high. And after that, then we'll come back and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so look, it's been 3 hours, right? Whew, I just put my hand on there. I can tell you this right here is hot, folks. So I'm gonna go ahead, take it up. I did open this one time. After this had like popped out, you know, the little temperature indicator telling you that it's, you know, cooked internally, it's just right. I did take that part out. So now I got some gloves on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the turkey and put it, you know, put it right here on my board. Okay, so you guys can see, look, I got it out right here. Just gonna go ahead. I wish I had my, you know, my carving knife, but we'll just start like this. So I want you guys to pay attention. Now remember, I didn't brine or nothing like that. I'll just cut it like this. This is just so you guys can take a look. Look at that, that's nice and juicy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this down. Let's get it up here like this. Bring it a little closer. And I'll just start cutting me some slices. This right here makes for some excellent, you know, sandwich meat. You know what, I don't know why I didn't get my meat slicer. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, look, as I was carving it all day, hey look, so this is it right here. I just went ahead and displayed it so you guys can see. I don't know how y'all make your sandwiches, but I take them like this. Even though I got these big, thicker slices like this, I still chop it up. And that right there on some white bread. I know I'm usually on all that, let's just say, I'm usually on that brown, you know, that wheat bread, but I like my turkey with a little mayo, you know, some of this chopped up turkey breast, and that right there is fire. Hey, so super simple. I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece. Hey, you know what, I'm gonna tell you this. Look, I shredded the whole thing down. You guys can see, right? So after shredding it down and getting it the way I like it, I'm gonna go ahead and just take a piece. Here we go. I'm gonna take this right here and taste this on camera. You know what, this is just another excuse for me to do it. Oh. I got to hurry up and eat, folks. That little bitty bite, I should have hit it like this. Not for real. Hey, listen, I want to explain this part to you guys so you guys can think, like, why would you cook your turkey in a crock pot? For me, I do it that way. Listen, it frees up, especially if you're not even doing this on a holiday, you know what I mean? So if you just want to put one together, if you're going to work or you can remember in the morning you got a turkey breast, I suggest you guys make sure you use the one with the bone in, because that's gonna give it a little bit more flavor. Look, you can season it how you like to. I could have put Cajun seasoning on there, but this right here is like a traditional favorite. You know, that's the after holiday sandwich, you know? So listen, if you use a crock pot, it frees up, you know, your stove, your oven, or whatever else that you're doing. You know what I mean? You could just set this and forget it. Hey, and it's foolproof. All right, now with that being said, listen, it's super good. I wish you guys can taste it. If you think this is a great idea, just let me know. Just hit me down in the comment section below and let me know. I'll do my best to get to you, man. I'm starting to get like so many comments, you know? Hey, but with that being said, let me just say this. If you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and I want you guys to tell everybody out there, it's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, you know I got 2 pieces of bread with some mayo on it, so I'm about to eat, y'all. I'm out. Peace.